Hello everyone, Good Investor here. I hope you're doing well. Today this video is going to be a little sad and it's going to be not only just update about Dogecoin. It is good of course for those of you who are owning it, but for those of you who own it on Robinhood, it's a little sad and I wanted to raise this issue specifically with this video. I don't know where this video will go, but essentially what we can see right now, Dogecoin is doing amazing. Obviously within the past week they've been in a massive ride. They have been up about 355%, right? It's amazing within a week. And the previous video that I've made, it was crazy and it was around 10 cents, 10, 13 cents. And now it's literally doubled from then to now. So I wish I could invest it, but I would definitely not invest it through Robinhood. And as we can see right now, what is going on, and it was brought to my attention as well, that Robinhood is not letting neither buy nor sell any Dogecoin. And it is very sad because there's a lot of people who own it and they want to sell it, and it's just ridiculous that the platform is doing it. It is very sad. And as we know, a couple of months ago, they did kind of same thing with AMC. They just let people sell it. And I was one of those people who owned AMC at that time. And I literally couldn't sell in profit my AMC. And when I could make $10,000, I literally couldn't do it because Robinhood was glitching. And when they started letting people to sell, it was just ridiculous because I was losing money and the price was going down by a lot. So I just don't like how Robinhood is treating their customers, and what is going on with Dogecoin is of course very sad. And although the company is not disclosing it, I think maybe they do, and I don't know it. Let me know if you guys know anything more than I do. But essentially what I think is that one of the reasons why you can't own real Dogecoin, even though they sell you do they say you do when you buy them, you don't own really your own Dogecoin because you don't have a wallet, unlike some other platforms like Coinbase or BlockFi. Here you literally can invest it, and what Robinhood is doing is technically creating a token that is synthetic, that is technically tracking the price of Dogecoin, but you don't necessarily own Doge. So essentially how it works, it's of course from my understanding, and there is no disclosure there. I think company says that you do own it, but I don't think you do. Whereas when you put in money, probably the company does invest it somewhere, or maybe they don't even do that. And when the price of Dogecoin at this point, it goes up to the ridiculous points like this, the company doesn't have any other choice but repay their customers because they quote unquote own it. But because they don't really own it, they can't do anything else but rather shut their platform down, which is the exact thing they did. Otherwise, they would pay their own money, which they don't want to do. So I don't think it's fair for the customers, and I think that was one of the reasons why I sold all of my cryptocurrency within Robinhood. Not because I was expecting something like this, but because I just didn't understand the point of tracking the price of a coin, whereas you don't really own the coin. And I don't think you do own the coin if you buy it through Robinhood. So because of that, what I did, I actually a couple of days ago went on and created a BlockFi account. And a BlockFi is essentially like Coinbase, and I can tell you why BlockFi on top of Coinbase, but both of them are amazing, and I don't support one but not the other. Both of them are amazing, but I do use BlockFi. And if you guys are interested on BlockFi as well, I will put my link down there. You can get up to $250 in cryptocurrency. So definitely go in if you're interested and use that referral link, because you will definitely get some perks out there. So this is what I did. I went on, and actually, if you did notice, I did have about 6,000, and now I have 3,000, and that 3,000 went in here, and I made some investments, and specifically I focused on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the good thing what they're doing is that when they are holding your cryptocurrency, there's obviously a risk that you're giving your brokerage, and because there is a risk that you could lose your money with them, they are actually also paying you some interest, which is cool. So it depends on the crypto to crypto, but they are paying you interest on top of the price of the cryptocurrency going up. So definitely check it out, guys. It is a perfect alternative if you want to own crypto, and BlockFi could be. What is also very weird, guys, is that if I want to check the price of Dogecoin on other platforms like CoinDesk, for example, the price doesn't match. Isn't it the same cryptocurrency? I mean, aren't we talking about Dogecoin and why would the price mismatch from one platform to another. And the difference is huge. And for example, you can see on this screenshot that I thankfully made it before the Robinhood started glitching. It's, as you can see, it's about 0.27, whereas here it's about 0.23. I don't get that. So please, somebody, if you know that, just let me know what is going on. Other than that, I mean, Robinhood is just crazy, man. I don't get this type of glitches. Them. So to those of you who owns Doge and it's on, it's on Robinhood, I feel really sorry and I can't wait to give you more updates. But as of now, it doesn't seem like Robinhood is giving you opportunity to sell it. Maybe they did fix it, but I have no idea. I mean, the app is glitching. So hopefully it all fixes, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. I'll talk to you later with more updates.